Hi there, mathematicians. Today, we're going to become detectives and learn how to solve some tricky two-step word problems of addition and subtraction. Let's get started by talking about the 4 solving steps. So our first step is to read the problem carefully. This means that we need to read the entire problem from start to finish. Then we can circle or underline important numbers and operation words. After that, we should think about what we know and what we need to know. Our second step is to draw a picture and write an equation. This means that we need to think about the order that the events happen. Then we need to draw a picture to show what our problem would look like. After drawing a picture, we need to write an equation for each step. Since we're working with two-step word problems, this means we're writing 2 equations. Our third step is to solve our word problem. So we need to calculate our answer using our drawings and equations to guide us. Then we need to include our units in our answer. Finally, our last step is to check our solution. We can do this by first reading the problem again, then we can ask ourselves, does my answer make sense? Then we should check our calculations. Let's put all those steps together in an example problem. This is a problem about Sadie. Sadie had 11 balloon stickers. When she went to school, she lost 4 stickers. Fortunately, her dad bought Sadie 10 more stickers. How many stickers does Sadie have now? So we're going to deep dive into this problem and solve it using our 4 steps. If you feel ready, you can pause this video and try to solve the problem now. Then you can resume the video and check if we followed the steps correctly. If not, keep watching. So our first step is to read the problem carefully. This means that we should read the entire problem, which we did. Next, we need to circle or underline important numbers or operation words. I decided that I wanted to circle the important numbers and underline the operation words. So let's take a look back at our problem. I know that I want to circle the 11 stickers that she started with, the 4 stickers that she lost, and the 10 stickers that her dad bought her. Now let's underline the operation words. So let's take a look. I'm going to underline the word lost because it's an operation word for subtraction. I'm also going to underline the word more because it's also an operation word, usually meaning addition. Okay, now that we've done that task, I want to think about what I know and what I need to know. I know that Sadie started with 10 stickers, then she lost 4. But then her dad bought 10 more. I need to know how many stickers she has now. Our next step for solving is drawing a picture and writing an equation. So first, we need to think about the order of events in the problem. I know that Sadie lost stickers and then she gained stickers, meaning that subtraction has to happen first, then addition. Now we need to draw a picture to show the problem. So first I want to draw the 11 stickers Sadie started with. Then I want to draw the 4 stickers that she lost. Finally, I will draw the 10 stickers that she gained. This will be my drawing that I will use to help me solve the problem. After drawing the problem, I need to write an equation for each step to show what I know and what I need to know. Since there are 2 steps in these word problems, I need to write 2 equations. So I know that she started with 11 stickers and lost 4, meaning my equation should be 11 minus 4 equals question mark. The question mark is what we don't know yet. Our next equation should be Sadie getting the 10 stickers her dad bought. This means that I need to add 10 plus the question mark amount to find our final answer. Okay, so now we're ready to solve the problem. We need to first calculate our answer using our drawing and equation. So let's solve it. We need to perform 11 stickers minus 4 stickers. Looking at my picture, that is 7 stickers. So our question mark is actually 7 stickers. Now, for our second equation, we need to replace the question mark with the 7. Now we can solve it. 7 plus 10 equals 17. So our answer is 17. But we cannot forget to include our units. Since Sadie was talking about her balloon stickers, we know that she has 17 balloon stickers. Now that we've solved it, let's check our solution. We need to read the problem again. Sadie had 11 balloon stickers. When she went to school, she lost 4 stickers. Fortunately, her dad bought Sadie 10 more stickers. How many stickers does Sadie have now? Then we need to ask ourselves, does my answer make sense? Well, since I started with 11 stickers and only lost 4, and then got 10 more, our answer seems pretty reasonable. Our last job is to check our calculations. So let's go back into our equations and check if we did our arithmetic correctly. 11 minus 4 is 7. So we can put a check mark to show that it's correct. Since our 7 correctly answered our question mark, I know that this 7 is correct too. Finally, let's do 7 plus 10. We know that that's 17. So our solution was correct and we fully solved this 2-step word problem. Okay, mathematicians, here's another example problem for you to try. I want you to pause the video to solve it on your own, then press play to reveal the answer. Here's our answer. Rocky had 14 sticks. Great work today, mathematicians. Now that we know the 4 steps for solving 2-step word problems of addition and subtractions, I want you to keep trying and practicing. Thank you so much.